Hey guys, happy Easter and happy Earth Day. By the time you see this, both of those things have passed, but they are pretty recent. And I've been actually trying to get Mr. Maverick down for a nap for 2 hours now. And I finally just figured out he's not gonna go. He is determined to stay awake. Look at those are some awake guys. He's determined to stay awake, so I'm gonna just try to do this video with him. But it works out, I think. He's prepared though. He's got his Love Our Planet shirt on. So I think that's perfect for our little unboxing. I went ahead and I opened them out of the packaging because they come with plastic, unfortunately. It really bugs me. It's one of the things that I don't like about ordering the diapers is that they come individually wrapped in these plastics, but it is what it is at this point. So I want to go ahead and get those out of the plastic so you didn't have to hear the rustling. But basically, if you are new to the channel, this is Maverick. He's currently 3 months old, and we have been cloth diapering him since he was about 2 weeks old. We had some disposables we got from our baby shower that we used for those newborn poops that are not the greatest. If you have babies, you understand. I just didn't want to mess with trying to wash those out of my cloth diapers. So I went ahead and I used the disposables that were given to me during that time. And then we made our switch over to cloth. And so my husband and I had decided that we wanted to do cloth diapering while I was still pregnant. It was something that we wanted to do with Clarissa, our 5-year-old, but at the time we just weren't in the place to do it. But this time we were, and so we went ahead and figured out all the costs that were going to be involved and figured out that it was going to cost us about 3 months worth of disposables to get our stash for starting cloth diapering. And so we decided that once we got those diapers and everything all situated, that we were going to cloth diaper for at least 3 months. And if we loved it, then great, we could continue. And if we hated it, then we could sell off our stash and go back to disposables. But we found that we love it. Huh, Mr. Man? Huh. Yeah, you're like, he's so tired. He's just so refusing to nap today, and I don't know why. But we love our cloth diapers, and so we went ahead and decided, because there was an Earth Day sale going on, to get some diapers that we had been really considering. So all of our diapers had been pocket diapers, and we used pre-folds or flats as our insert for those, and we had bought one all-in-one just to test it out and see if we were going to like it. And I do like all-in-ones. So with the Earth Day sale, there was some all-in-ones that were on sale. So I went ahead and I got some all-in-ones. I did end up buying 2 more pocket diapers, and then we ended up getting, because we're heading into summer soon and we're going to be seeing a lot of the water hopefully, some reusable swim diapers. So I'm just going to go ahead and show you what I got. Okay, so this one is one of the pocket diapers that I got. It's a space theme here. You can see. It's pretty cute. And then the other pocket diaper that I got, I just have a thing for these, is this Sugar Skull diaper. I don't know what it is about Sugar Skull. I just love them, and my kids really like them too. My daughter actually had her birthday party last year, was all Sugar Skull themed out, and it was really cute, and we just really like it. And I think we're gonna, with homeschooling, get a little bit more into actually like the cultural aspects of this. So on to my all-in-ones. So I went ahead, this one is, oh goodness. So this one has like little cactuses and little hearts on it. And this one is charcoal, has a charcoal insert that is sewn into it as an all-in-one. And I like these ones because they also have a pocket in the front here, so I can, if I need to, add extra layers in. So if you wanted to turn it into like a nighttime diaper or anything like that, this sort of thing would work pretty well for that. Right now he does fine with just one insert. We don't have to layer or anything yet with him, so that's been pretty nice. We went ahead, I got this one more for my older girls and kind of my husband because they all love Pokemon. So this is the front of the diaper. It's just got the little lightning bolts, but the back of the diaper has Pikachu on it, wearing a little aviator hat. And so my kids and my husband are really into Pokemon, and so this is actually kind of more for them than it is for him. But then again, most of these diapers are more for me than they are for him, so what can you do? This one has some little babies on it holding peace signs that say "Born Perfect." And this one is not charcoal. It just has the normal set inside there. But it also still has, this one has the pocket in the back so that you can add more layers if you want to. And for me, I felt like that was kind of a necessity in any of the all-in-ones I got, that they had that option so that I could just up the absorbency if I need to. So this one's really cute. I like dinosaurs and I love glow-in-the-dark stuff, and so I love the look of this diaper. It has all the little dinosaurs and like stars and moons on it, but it looks like it's glow-in-the-dark, so I really, really like that. And then we have this one. This one's not too interesting in the front. It's just got some plant life. I got it really more for the back. It says, "Every day is Earth Day." And I don't know, I liked the message. So we went ahead and got this one. And I think we have one diaper left. And again, this one was more for me. I happen to love bees, and I like doing homeschool units on bees and teaching my kids how important bees are. So I actually have this one, which has like the little honeycomb beehive on it with some of the nice little fuzzy cute bees. Here's the front. And then we got 3 swim diapers. So this one's just a black and white sort of line drawing of the like ocean creatures and coral and fish on it. There's like a jellyfish in the front. You can see it there. I really like it. And then we have one with some cute little turtles on it. And then this last one is another jellyfish diaper, which I thought was pretty cute. I just feel like I'm really into like the line drawing stuff right now. So that is it, you guys. We ended up getting, again, a total of 2 pocket diapers, 6 all-in-ones, and then we grabbed 3 of the swim diapers, with it just getting warmer and wanting to spend some time in the water so that you can go with this in the water. And one other actually kind of cool thing that happened was the day after I ordered these diapers, a friend of mine who's moving contacted me and was like, "Hey, I have some cloth diapers, would you like them?" And I was like, of course. And so she ended up bringing me brand new, like an 8 set of pocket diapers, and they're the exact same ones that we use, as well as like a 12 pack of inserts and 2 wet bags, and they were all brand new. She'd never used any of them, and I was just blown away. So we ended up adding like 16 new diapers to our stash, and all of her diapers that she had ordered came with 2 microfiber inserts. So that ended up being quite a substantial amount of new inserts. So I'm pretty excited that now my stash is going to be big enough for me to start rotating my diapers to extend the life of them. So that's really exciting for me as a, you know, relatively new cloth diaper. I've only been doing this for a few months. So now I have enough to start rotating my stash and make them last longer. So hopefully they all will last until Mr. Man is out of diapers. Huh? Yeah. So I am really excited, and I'm really grateful to her, and I just want to thank you guys for watching this video. If you liked it, if you enjoy cloth diaper hauls or talking about cloth diapers in general, please make sure you give this video a big thumbs up. And if you're not subscribed, please consider subscribing so that you get all of our content. I do things about homeschooling and cloth diapering and all kinds of different things. So if you want to spend more time with Mr. Maverick and me and my family, definitely make sure you subscribe, and we will see you in the next video. Bye!